In today's volatile market, many investors are focusing on the technology sector. The impact of President Trump's trade tariffs has increased uncertainty for portfolios. Many chipmakers depend on Chinese factories, and fears about tariffs seem justified. However, recent developments suggest a brighter outlook. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM, is at the center of this shift. Currently, TSM shares are priced at $148.04. Despite recent decreases, the stock holds strong potential. The price target is set at $212, reflecting optimism from analysts. This critical company plays a vital role in the tech industry. Without TSM, giants like Nvidia and Apple might not thrive today. TSM's commanding market presence allows it significant pricing power. Hence, the decision to exempt semiconductors from tariffs is telling. Historically, bearish traders worried about tariffs negatively impacting TSM's business. But recent exemptions clear the way for potential growth. TSM's latest quarterly earnings present promising news. Revenues grew by an impressive 40% last year. The annual earnings per share surged over 60%, indicating strong company performance despite market fears. Now, TSM trades at roughly 65% of its 52-week high. Traders anticipated a decline due to tariff concerns, but that hasn't happened. With the exemption, TSM can now show its true market worth. Looking forward, Wall Street remains optimistic. The consensus price target for TSM is currently $220, suggesting over 50% potential upside. Some analysts are even more confident, forecasting a $250 price point for a 70.6% upside. If you're considering investing in TSM, it may be beneficial to explore insights from leading analysts. Despite being rated a moderate buy, other stocks might be more appealing at this moment. To stay informed, consider receiving MarketBeat's list of top-performing stocks. This will help you navigate through uncertain economic times. Don't miss out on the chance to invest wisely. Enter your email and gain access to valuable stock insights. The future for Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing seems promising. With growing revenues, significant market share, and recent tariff exemptions, TSM could lead to rewarding investment opportunities.